Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to choose the right Shopify plan for your business. So first of all you will open up your browser and then you will search here for Shopify and then you will search here for plans, and then basically what you're gonna have to do is you will just open up this link where it says Shopify pricing. So just open this link and basically it will show you now. Basically Shopify offers us three different plans. Okay, so the first one is the basic plan, and then we have the Shopify for small businesses, and then we have the advanced. So basically if you are an individual and if you have a small business, okay, if you are basically just starting out, so the basic will be the best for you. Okay, so it is basically a 25 USD per month, and what this include, it includes basically course and up to 1000 applications and two staff account. With this means that basically two persons can log in this account from different places and manage it. And then if you have a small business, basically like if you have a team or if you have a small business, then you must go with this Shopify for small business plan. It will cost you 65 USD per month, and then what you're gonna have to do is basically professional reports, 1000 inventory, and 5 staff accounts. And then if you have basically medium to large business, like already well settled business, then you should go for this, which is like $400 per month, custom report, 1000 inventory, and 15 staff accounts. And basically you can say that get your first 3 months for just $1. Okay, so you can basically get your first 3 months, okay, just for $1, just to try out Shopify. So if you are a small business and if you are just an individual person, then I think that the 25 USD will be very good for you. So that's it for this video, guys. If you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.